So today I'll be showing you how to connect your SD card to your iPhone 16 or iPhone 16 Pro. Now this could be an SD card from your camera, it could be from any other gadget, and you want to copy this data to the phone, or you just want to observe the data from the phone. There are a couple of videos, a couple of photos you want to check out, you can actually do that right on your phone. So, or even share them to social media directly. So what you need is an adapter. Okay, so you need an adapter with a Type-C connector and a slot for your SD card. Now this one is from Anker. You don't really have to use this one, although I'll link it down below if you're interested. This one is very versatile. It has all the ports and, more importantly, a Type-C connector that can go into my iPhone 16 or iPhone 16 Pro. So all I have to do is just connect. Everything is plug and play. I'll just go ahead and connect the adapter to the iPhone 16 and then the SD card into the card reader. Now, like I said, you don't have to use this card reader. You can use any card reader that has a Type-C connector that can go into your iPhone. And so once you connect, there's not going to be any pop-up or any sound on your screen. To access the SD card, just open the Files app. Okay, so this app comes on any iPhone. So just find the Files app and then tap on Browse, and then you should see Locations, and then you should be able to see your SD card. Now, if you don't see it, then probably there's something wrong with the connection, or you have to give it a couple of moments for it to read. Now it seems there's something loose, so I'm just going to try and connect again. There you go. So there's my SD card. It's been detected and it keeps disconnecting for some reason. So let's try again. There you go. So now we should be fine. It's now connected, and now I can keep disconnecting. I wonder why. Let me try and put it on this side. Okay, so it looks like it's detected. Now I have to say I recently damaged this card reader. You can see there's a big old crack here, and that could be the reason why this is not working. But that is basically how to connect. You can check out my video on how to connect a micro SD card, which I've explained. It's basically the same process. Anyway, thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck, unfortunately.